Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. And in the last video we solved this first layer and we are going to fix these second layer now, and let's begin. Now the first thing that I do is to look up for the middle pieces on the top layer. You could see this is yellow, which means it is not in the second layer. This is also yellow, this means it is also not the second layer. So yeah, this color, if you see, it's blue and it's orange, and as I can see, that means that this piece belongs over here because this is orange, this is blue. And so whenever you have a piece like this, what you do is you match the piece to the side of the color. Like, you know, right now it is over here, it needs to go here. That means it will be moving towards it left side. So left side it is coming, so we'll do is we'll move it toward the right side. It means over here, and I'll explain and you will see why did we move it over here. So if you just see, I'll bring this piece up, rotate it, and then bring it down. Did you just see what happened? These two match together, and now what we have to do is bring both of them over here. So what I will do is I'll face it this side. Again, this needs to go over here. That means it's on the right side of the cube. So what we do is you put it on the left side of the cube, bring this one up, and now match it. See, now it is matching. And now let's go down. You can see the piece is over here with just less than 3 moves. Let's do it again for another piece. See this one over here, this is red and blue, and I'll move this one until I match it with the blue one. Now you see it should be going on the right side of the cube, like over here. So when it should be going on right, what we do is we put it to the left side as of now, and we do the same thing. We bring this one up, we bring this back and match it over here, and now we do is we bring it down. Now you could see it is matching. Again we have to put it back to its place. So white should be facing towards me, and before I bring it down, I'll just move it towards right, bring this side up, and then bring it back and bring it down. See, I've just put these two pieces with so few moves. Again, now look for these pieces. Okay, now all the top layer is yellow pieces. That means our pieces are here. You see this piece and this piece, this one belongs over here and this one belongs over here. So right now it is connected to this one, so I need to detach it from this particular piece. So what I'll do is I'll move it to up. You can see these are together. I'll move it again, they are still together, and now I'll bring it down. You could see I have detached it from this particular piece, and now we have come to the part where we put this corner back. And we have already learned this in our earlier video, that if the corner which is over here and belongs over here and it needs to go to left part of the cube, then we move it towards right, bring this side up, bring this back to the place where it should be, matching it with this color and bringing it down. So what I did was I removed this piece and I sent it to over here. Now basically what I did was to bring it to the top layer and remove it from over here, and now you could see this is the piece. This is in the same position as all the two other pieces that we already had. Now orange is matching over here, green is over here. That means this piece belongs over here. Again, this needs to go to the left of the cube, so I'll just put it to the right of the cube for now. Bring this side up and bring this piece back from where it went, and now this will come down to match with this. Now once you match it, you rotate it, you make the white facing towards you. Now this should be going towards the right, so we move it towards the left. It's always the opposite. Now this side goes up, these middle parts and all come over here. This particular part now joins this and comes down. So you see we have fixed 1, 2 and 3 of the middle pieces, just remaining 1, and this one is over here. So I'll remove the piece until it matches the one side of the cube. Now again, before you move forward with this video, I would like to just ask yourself what will be the move. Okay, so this is red, this is green, that means that this piece belongs over here. It means it should be going towards the left. So what do? Yes, we move it towards the right, opposite side. Then we bring this part up. Then we bring it back where it was. And this corner piece and this middle part goes down. This corner piece comes and gets attached to this one. Once you do this, you just move the cube this way, white facing towards you. Now again, this should be going to the right part of the cube, so we move it towards the left. And now this part comes up. These two joins this gang together with all of it, and they all go together down. Here we have the second layer of the cube. So 2 layers are already done of our cube, and only one last layer is remaining, and we'll cover that in our next video. Thank you.